You don't need to pay for Microsoft Office. You can actually use Google Docs instead. Let me show you how it works. It is super simple. If you guys don't already know, you actually don't need to buy Microsoft Office and pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars for Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint or Word or anything like that. You can actually use everything for free, just built in Google. So let me show you how it works and how you can set it up. So all you have to do is go to docs.google.com if you want to set up your Word document, for example, and it will show you this right here. I currently have no documents set up or anything. All I have to do is click on the plus sign in the bottom right. This will open up your empty blank document right over here. Now you can write whatever you want over here. You can, save it as the normal Google Docs file, or you can actually import the Microsoft Word file in it and then export it as a Microsoft Word file as well, which is pretty sick. So even though you have some old Microsoft Word files that you used in the office and now you no longer have Office, all you have to do is click on File in the top left and then you click on Open and then you upload your Microsoft Word file in it right here. Once you upload it, you can edit it out all you want, whatever you want to do, you can do that. And then you can actually export it as the Microsoft Word file as well. So all you have to do is click on File over here, and then you can click on Download, and you can download it as the Microsoft Word file right here. You can actually download it as PDF, as ODT, all these other files over here as well. You can simply just email it directly, or you can even share it online with others so they can see the document online via email or any other platform. It's super simple and much better than Microsoft Office, at least in my opinion. You don't need to pay for it. It's completely free and it is all on cloud. So whatever you type, if I type, as, you can see in the top left saying it says saving, and then give it a few seconds and it will save the file. So your PC crashes, your phone dies, your power goes out, it will be saved that second. You no longer have to have backups. You will not lose anything because it is all saved in the cloud itself. Again, this works with any Google Docs file. So it can be PowerPoint, it can be Excel, it can be anything. You can go in over here, create a new spreadsheet, which is the Excel, and then again, import it using Open or Import over here, and you can download it to Microsoft Excel, PDF, or any other file or format. So it is like 3 seconds. You can use it for free, no longer need to pay. There's no point of spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars just for a few times you're gonna use it, or even often. You can just use this instead, why not? This has all the same functionality and usage as the Microsoft Office does, so you're not really missing on anything. It even has extensions that you can use over here. If you go to Get Add-ons, it will give you the list of extensions you can install, and it will make your job even easier. So you can have like mail merge, you can have DocuSign for like signing documents, you can have GPT for sheets and docs, which is the new AI chat GPT. You can have a lot of these like new AI writing assistants and even translations and all of these other extensions that I can go over in the next video if you guys like this one. I hope the video helped you. I know it was a short one, but I wanted to go straight to the point and explain how this works and how you can make your job easier. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop the like. I mean, if you got this far, you do like the video, right? So drop the like. It takes you a few seconds. And if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. Make sure to check my other video right over here on how to save your email from spam and phishing attacks. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.